Got a magpie over there alerting all the other forest creatures that I'm around. I don't know if that's coming through or not, but they don't like me very much. So this forest today, guys, really is absolutely beautiful. We got some peaks of the sun coming out, and it's gorgeous. I haven't seen any wildlife yet. Plenty of signs though. Rub marks and scat. There's a lot of deer in this area. There's a lot of elk. There's a lot of moose. Mountain lion, which you'll never see unless it's behind you getting ready to eat you. But I don't know, I'm hoping for a moose or something, you know. We'll see. Look at this beautiful forest we're in, guys. We come up here to make some pictures, do some photography, see if we can find some squirrels or something to photograph, some birds, an owl, a fox. I'll really take anything, a deer, an elk, a bear, whatever. I just want to do some landscape photography today, and I also want to see if I can find some animals to photo. Today has been absolutely splendid, everyone. Being up here in the forest, spring is in the air. We still have a ton of snow on the ground, but we do, or we are having the birds start chirping. And the squirrels, you can hear them. They're out and about. And it's just been a fabulous day up here. It's really been quite unbelievable. Yeah. It's so funny because I've been on this trail a million times. And it never gets old. I mean, the lighting we're getting in this canyon right now is gorgeous. And, you know, I'm just, it's funny how, you know, I can be so, or someone, me, anyone, can be so enchanted every single time. Even though you've done the trail, and you've been in this forest, you know, this particular part of the forest, countless times. But yeah, it still just amazes me how enchanting and absolutely wonderful that the forest is. It doesn't matter how many times you've been to the same spot. It's just really enchanting. Things change in nature a lot more than people realize. But if you really sit down, take the time, slow down, and listen, and pay attention, there's signs all over in the forest of what's going on a daily basis with the animals, with the trees, and all of that. So you really just have to be quite vigilant and know the signs, learn the signs, rub marks and scat. And I even found some nice little clump of, I'm pretty sure it was moose hair, right on the trail. And so, you know, they're here today. Just wasn't my day. It wasn't my day to film or, you know, get any pictures of any wildlife. So, but nonetheless, it doesn't matter. I like to come out here for good video and good photos, but in the end it doesn't matter because we just got to have this wonderful day in the forest chilling. and that's wonderful.